Hey guys, so for today's SaaS case study, I want to show you a $480,000 drone SaaS business, which is very interesting. For all of you that are new here, this is my series where I break down various SaaS built on Go High Level and you can get inspiration from. Today's brand is called Drone Suite 360. This is their website. It's very nice. You can watch a demo on how the software works. You can click here, you can watch the demo. So you can see this is the classic Go High Levels dashboard. You have some informations here. They inform you about the 14-day free trial. All the features that they offer are here. They also show you some of the apps that you can integrate their software with, and then you can book a call with them. So in this video, we're going to take a look at what they offer, what type of features they offer, how they market their software, how they get clients, how much money they're making, how I personally would improve their business, and how you can sell something like Drone Suite 360. First thing first, their target is drone businesses, which is a very specific niche. What they offer to these drone businesses is automated messaging, automated reviews, communication in one place, and a way to get fast payments, all in one unique solution. So inside the software, these drone businesses have all of these features here. Features that are essential and useful for their business. For the messages, they can set up automated follow-up messages to nurture leads and close deals, and they can connect SMS, email, WhatsApp, Facebook Messenger. Any communication tool can be connected to the software. Automated reviews help the business rank higher on Google, which for a drone business is very great. So once they've done a purchase or they've ended a rental, the system automatically sends a review request to their clients. This will help them get more reviews and ultimately rank higher on Google searches. When it comes to communication, the software provides an amazing CRM that allows the team to always know what's going on with a specific lead. And then one of the most important things is the payments, right? They can simply send payment links and collect the cash fast. Now, once again, these are all features that are inside Go High Level. So you can also do this. You can white label Go High Level and offer the same features to a different niche of businesses that you want to target. Now, let's take a look of how much they're making. They have a 3-tier pricing plan. They have the $199 per month plan, the $399 per month plan, and the $499. Now, let's take the average pricing plan, which is $399. We know that Drone Suite 360 has more than 100 users per month because they are in the gold tier of the Go High Level awards. If you do not know what the Go High Level awards are, it's basically an award given by Go High Level for SaaS built on their platform. So these are all SaaS built on Go High Level that either have 100 plus users for the gold tier, 500 plus users for the platinum tier, and then 1000 plus users for the diamond tier. If we type in Drone Suite 360, you can see that they are in the gold tier. So that means they have more than 100 plus users. Okay, they have anywhere between 100 to 499 users using their software, which is amazing. So if we do $399 times 100, that's going to be approximately $40,000 per month, which equals to $500,000 per year. More specifically, $480,000. They're generating this type of numbers by simply white labeling Go High Level. They didn't have the need to build a software solution from scratch, because if they had to build a software solution from scratch, something like this will cost them hundreds of thousands of dollars. So all they're doing is white labeling Go High Level. They're targeting a specific niche of businesses, which are drone businesses, and then they're offering solutions that they need, and that generates them $480,000 per year. Bear in mind, I'm just basing myself off of professional plan, which is the most used plan, but realistically they will have people on the $499 plan and a lot of people on the $199 plan. So this is just an estimate, but this shows you that there's potential with this type of business model. You pick a niche, you understand their problem, and you use your own rebranded version of Go High Level, and you sell them the solution. Now, let's take a look at their marketing. They use a very particular marketing strategy. They only use affiliate marketing. They have this affiliate program where they give $50 in recurring commission for each referral. So that means if you're a Drone Suite affiliate, every referral that you bring them, you will get $50 in recurring commission. And this affiliates promote the software through either YouTube, Facebook groups, drone communities, drone training courses, and then some of them also rely on email lists. This is a very particular marketing strategy. So this is a very simple illustration. You have Drone Suite 360 at the top here. Down you have the affiliates over here. So the affiliates create content, they promote the software, and then the drone businesses will pay the software. And then the affiliates get the $50 commission, which is recurrent. So it's very great. It's a win-win situation for everyone. Drone Suite 360 gets clients, affiliates get rewarded, and the drone businesses get the software that solves their business problem. Let's take a look at what I would improve if I was running something like Drone Suite 360. First and first, I would start running Facebook ads, not only relying on affiliate marketing. I mean, it's great, it's working for them, they're generating great numbers, but I will start with expanding into targeting drone businesses through Facebook ads. Second thing I will do is create YouTube videos, okay? Tutorials, tips on how to run a drone business, anything that can attract a drone business owner, and then show how the software works and how beneficial it's going to be for the business. Just like that. These are the two improvements that I will do if I was running Drone Suite 360. Now, there are three ways you can sell this type of solution. You can either sell it as an agency service. So you go directly to drone businesses and you offer each individual feature as a service. Okay. You can charge anywhere between $1,000 to $2,000 per month, or you can sell it as a SaaS model, just like Drone Suite 360 is doing. Or thirdly, you can leverage the SaaS partner business model. So what do I mean by this? Instead of going to each individual drone business, you partner up with someone who's selling drone training courses. You partner up with this individual, you build the software for him or her, and then you sell the software to the student of the course. It becomes a win-win situation for everyone, because now the person that you partner with that was only selling courses now has his own software that he didn't have to build, but is going to benefit from. And you are taking care of the entire back end, you are going to get anywhere between 20 to 40% of the current revenue from the sales coming in from the SaaS. Absolute win-win situation for everyone. Now, if you guys are interested into learning how you can leverage at best this SaaS partner model, or how you can sell a solution like this as a SaaS or as an agency service, I will advise you to join my school group waitlist. Link is going to be in the description. I'm going to reveal all the source there. It's going to be free for the first 50 to 100 people because I want to help as many people as possible with this great business model here. I see it as a great opportunity. So this is Drone Suite 360 case study. You guys can recreate something like this. You can use them as blueprint example. Of course, I'm not telling you to go out there and copy them, but you use it as inspiration, see what they're doing. I think their marketing strategy is very interesting. They are using the affiliate program in a great way. You guys can take inspiration from that. And yeah, that's it for this video, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you put a thumbs up, you subscribe to the channel. I'm going to insert the link for the playlist if you want to take a look at other videos where I do case study breakdowns like this for other Go High Level powered SaaS. Make sure you check them out. If you want to try Go High Level for yourself, the link for a free trial is also going to be in the description. Make sure you join the school group waitlist. And as always, work smart, stay blessed, and see you in the next one.